more strategy about dakwah him to but maybe I want to advice yeah. Maybe advice
Give advising.
I think many each of people have own character and if we want to dakwah him, what's it?
Dakwah preacher, pendakwah, preacher, pendakwah, preacher.
You hope to know about his character, and I think character hard. If he has hard character, you must jangan tabrak maksudnya.
Do not contradict, right?
Contradict his argument. And I hope you will stay to keep tetap menjadi
always to be
his friend. His friend. And
as long as you can help your friend, advising, give everything.
And if you try, you have pahala. What is it?
How to say pahala?
Reward.
Yeah,
if you try to talk about, if you sudah punya, sudah dapat pahala.
God, I only want.
Thank you.
Thank you very.